Hello dear students and friends. Welcome back to our online lecture for B.Sc second year semester 3 statistics. In our last lecture we have seen measurement of secular trend. Actually there are four methods for calculating secular trend. First, graphical or freehand curve method. Second, semi-average method. These two methods are already discussed in previous lecture. Now today we are going to discuss the most important method, that is method of curve fitting by the principle of least square. The method of principle of least square is one of the very important method to calculating secular trend. With the help of method of least square, we can find or fit a straight line trend. The line of best fit in a line from which the sum of deviations from various points is 0. This is the best method for obtaining the trend values. It gives a convenient basis for calculating the line of best fit of the time series. Also, it is a mathematical method for measuring trend. Further, the sum of square of the deviation would be the least when compared with the other finding methods. So, this method is known as method of least square. And this method satisfies some following conditions. First one, the sum of deviation of the actual value, that is y and y cap, is 0. And second one, that is summation of y minus y cap bracket square is least. Means the sum of square of the deviations of the actual value of y and y cap, estimated value y, is the least. Okay. Some important procedures to calculate the least square. The straight line equation. What is straight line of equation? That is y is equals to a plus bx. The equation of straight line, equation 1, where y represent the variables or actual values and x represent the time period. Remaining x, small a and b are constant. The value of a and b are obtained by the solving normal equation. The normal equations, summation of y is equals to na plus b summation of x, and another x and y, summation x and y is equals to constant a of summation x plus constant b of summation x square. If deviation are taken from the middle point, so that x is equals to 0, then the value of a and b can be obtained from the following. So a and b can be taken following data, where a is equals to summation of y divided by n. A is equals to summation of y divided by n is equals to y bar, that is the mean of y, and b is equals to summation of x into y divided by summation of x square. the constant A gives the mean of y. Similarly, the constant B gives the rate of change of slope. And for a fifth procedure, by substituting the value of A and B, this substituting value A and B, the trend equation 1, that is straight line equation 1, we get this is the line of best fit. As per the procedure, we solve the numerical example. Calculate the trend value by the method of least square from the following data. Here data, year in 1992 to 99. This is data for the 8 year, that is even data, and is corresponding the values of the year, that is the profit in 1000 rupees lakh. The year, that is time t, in 1992, the corresponding profit is 56,000 lakh, 55,000 lakh, 51,000 lakh, 47, and so on of last 1999 is profit 32,000 lakh. As per the procedure, the data of 8 year, that is the year and profit, that is time t and profit y. Since there are 8 year and the capital N is equals to 8, we will take the deviation from mid-year as per the procedure. In mid-year, that is 1995, the deviation taken from midpoint is 1995.5. How to calculate? 1992 minus 1995, we obtain the value of deviation, that is minus 3.5. Similarly, for calculate the next year, that is 1993, same procedure, it becomes minus 2.5 minus 1.5, and in the year 1995 is also minus 0.5. We can calculate same procedure till 1999. This is the last year, that is 3 plus 3.5. As per the procedure, the deviation of sum of square is 0. Deviation is 0, and the profit of the given problem is y is equals to 356. Okay. Now next column, that is x minus 2. X minus 2 means this deviation multiplied by 2 minus 7 minus 5 minus 3 and so on up plus 7. X multiplied by y, that is, this is the x multiplied by y, that is 56. This is the profit. 56 multiplied by 7, that is minus 7, is become minus 392. This is the next. As per this procedure of principle of least square, we can calculate all the values of x and y. X multiplied by y, this is become summation of x is equals to minus 312, and last column, that is x square. This x square, the square of 7 is 49, minus 5 always square is always positive, that is 25, 9, 1, 1, 9, 25 up to last, that is 1999, 49. The square x square is become, that is 168. As per the procedure, the equation of the straight line of time trend is calculated. Equation straight line y is equals to a plus bx. Also a and b are the constant, where we get the values of a and b. A is equals to this is the procedure for the, as per the mathematical formulation, a is equals to summation of y divided by capital N. So capital N is a number of years, and 356, as per previous table, 356 is the profit. Okay, divided by 8 means it is become again 44.5. This is the value of A. We can calculate this similarly for the value of B. Summation x into y divided by x square. What is the value of summation of x into y and x bar square? X into y, that is minus 322, and divided by x square is 168. Is become minus 1.86. This is the value for B. The y, the value become y is equals to this value. Y, how to calculate y? Y is equals to a minus, a plus b. Value of a is equals to 44, and value of b is equals to minus 1.86. This is the value of y. This is the simple example of calculating the least square for the given data. Similarly, same example given below. In this example, the year of up to 2000 to 2006. This is the year data odd years. As per the procedure, as per the similarly previous one example, first one we will calculate the value, year and production of sugarcane, where a is equals to, how to calculate, this is n is equals to 7, summation of y is equals to 316, x square is 28, x into y is 29, and x of t, that is time t, is equals to calculate, a is equals to 44.153, and x into y is equals to 29 divided by this 28. Therefore, the required equation of straight line y is equals to calculated value put in this straight line. Similarly calculate the value of 42.35, like this. The trend value of yt is equals to this. Okay. This method is very easy to understand, or this method can be used to forecast the future trend, because trend line establishes a functional relationship between the value and the time. This method is completely objective method, and this method gives the trend value for the entire time period. Thank you.